Unpacking the phrase, "It's just a thought." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language. Understanding the phrase, "It's just a thought." This expression is widely used in everyday conversations, and mastering its nuances can greatly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's explore what this phrase means, how to use it correctly, and some examples to clarify its usage. Stay tuned. The phrase, "It's just a thought," is used to introduce an idea or suggestion that the speaker wants to share, but without putting too much emphasis or importance on it. It's a way of saying, "Here's an idea, but it's not something I'm strongly attached to." This expression is often used to soften the impact of what might be a new, untested, or unconventional idea, making it clear that the speaker is open to other opinions or ideas. Casual conversations. In casual settings, "It's just a thought" can be used to float an idea without making it sound like a final decision. It's perfect for brainstorming sessions or when suggesting plans among friends. For example, "What if we go to the beach this weekend?" It's just a thought. Professional environments. In professional contexts, this phrase helps to introduce suggestions without overriding others' opinions or seeming too assertive. It can be a strategic way to propose innovations or changes. Example, "Perhaps we could streamline the process by integrating new software." It's just a thought. Emotional or sensitive discussions. When discussing sensitive topics, saying, "It's just a thought," can help to gently introduce an opinion or solution without appearing forceful. It shows respect for the feelings and perspectives of others involved. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use "it's just a thought" in various contexts. Innovation. We could possibly rebrand our product to attract a younger demographic. It's just a thought. Personal suggestions. Have you considered talking to a professional about this? It's just a thought. Making plans. We could meet up earlier to avoid the traffic. It's just a thought. These examples illustrate the versatility of the phrase in conveying ideas without applying pressure or expectation on the listener to agree. Understanding and using the phrase, "It's just a thought," can add a layer of subtlety and politeness to your English communication. It's a handy expression for suggesting ideas while remaining open and flexible to feedback. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this phrase effectively in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about exploring nuances and expressions like these. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!